Hello everyone. Today, I will tell you about digestion of different food items. Water digests instantly in the body. Watermelon digests very quickly. Oranges are easy and fast to digest. Cantaloupe is light and digests easily. Grapes digest quickly. Collard greens take a moderate amount of time to digest. Apples digest at a moderate speed. Cherries also digest moderately. Zucchini digests fairly easily. Cauliflower takes moderate time to digest. Fish digests relatively quickly compared to meat. Beetroot takes moderate time to digest. Carrots digest at a similar pace to beetroot. Salad with oil digests more slowly due to added fats. Cornmeal takes longer to digest. Oats digest slowly and keep you full longer. Potatoes take longer to digest. Lentils digest slowly because they are high in protein and fiber. Chicken takes longer to digest than vegetables. Chickpeas also digest slowly. Beans are heavy and take longer to digest. White rice digests slower than fruits and vegetables. Cooked eggs take time to digest. Milk and dairy products digest slowly. Nuts are heavy and slow to digest. Beef meat takes a long time to digest. Wheat chapati, wheat bread, digests slowly. Lamb takes even longer to digest. Pork is one of the slowest foods to digest. Thanks for watching.